In this video, I'm going to give you a few different options that you can use to hide messages on your iPhone. So there are a couple of ways that you can actually hide messages. The first one, if we go and open up messages, you'll be able to see all of your messages here. You can click into the messages and you can actually just delete messages. So if you hold down on either yours or anyone else's message, you can go to more, you can click the trash can icon and you can delete that message. So that is method number one, perhaps not the method you were looking for. So if you go to settings, we can then scroll down until we find notifications. We can click on that and you can then find the messaging app. So go ahead and find the messages app. Once you've done that and you're inside of the messages app, you can simply just turn off allow notifications. This will not give you any notifications on your screen when you receive a new message. And this could be a very important and useful way to hide messages. Also, you've got here, if you go down to show previews, you can actually make sure that you change this to never, and this will allow you to essentially hide the context of a message. So you will still receive a notification, provided that you've got notifications here turned on, but there will not be a preview of the message that's written. So no one will be able to see who it's from or the first couple of lines of the message. So this can be very important for privacy. So change that to never if you want to. Then you've got announced notifications. You can turn that off and it will mean Siri won't notify you or read out any messages. So that can be important as well. Those are some of the methods that you can use. I hope that quick video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was.